Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Dee. How are you?
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I think I might have to buy a new laptop. Yeah, my laptop's not working only.
What? You need a new laptop so soon? We just got you this laptop a year ago.
I know.
What's the problem? Tell me exactly.
I mean, my laptop keeps shutting down every now and then, and these weird sites keep popping up.
It's a virus. I knew it. I had told you to get an antivirus. Please tell me you got it.
I didn't actually think it was such a big deal, yeah, and I forgot also. Plus, I don't understand all of this, yeah.
It's okay if you're that clueless about it, just get the one which I have. Net Protector Total Security by NPAV. I've been using this antivirus for years and I've faced zero problems.
Okay, go on. I mean, what does Total Security by NPAV actually do?
NPAV is India's leading antivirus brand, and their antivirus software will protect your digital life like no other. It
And
protects my phone, tablet, and laptop from incoming malware. It also helps me get a backup of my data and ensures smooth and fast internet connectivity. In short, total security from A to Z.
it sounds really cool, yeah, but it must be super expensive then.
No, it's not. It's much cheaper than the kind of money you blow up on partying. It's just rupees 750 for a whole year. Now, this much you can definitely afford.
I don't disagree with you, but I know for a fact that I'm your favorite sibling, and I'm also younger, so technically it's your responsibility to buy me one. Am I right or am I right?
No, I'm just sharing a link to their website with you and you figure it out yourself.
Fine.
Also, don't forget to install their mobile security app. It will check your phone for incoming malware and also detect threats beforehand.
Cool, I'll do that. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
I always used to take antivirus so lightly. But if you actually want to protect your data, safeguard your privacy, and keep your devices free from any malware, then NPAV is your best bet. It's super easy, it's affordable, so don't take antivirus so lightly, guys.